Okay, assalamualaikum and good day. So we will look into assembly drafting. We go to our notes, in which you can download from your e-learning. This is the notes from, we will start at page 20. So this is the assembly drawing basic rules. This is the balloons. This drawing shows common mistake in applying leaders and part numbers symbol of an assembly. Okay, let's go to assembly drawing. First, open your 4buff engine.cat product. It should be open in assembly workbench. So we must open our file. Can open, click open 4buff engine assembly. Okay, let's return to our documents. Insert a new sheet for the assembly drawing. That is sheet 3. Right click on sheet 3 and go through properties. Follow scrolling information given below. So we will create a new sheet. Let's see if we have saved our previous document just now. We will create new sheet. Okay, this is our sheet 3. And we return to our document. I will right click on sheet 3 and go to properties. So as usual, we can find properties in our sheet 3 in under the history 3. Right click the properties. Okay, let's make this scale 1 to 4 so that it is smaller. Then A3 ISO. Okay, third angle projection. We can select first or third angle projection. Let's try our third angle projection for now, and then click OK. Okay, so this is the sheet that is changed size. Next, using view creation wizard, insert the top, front, right, and isometric view. Okay, click here and click this icon. Next, get isometric. Finish. We need to select reference planes on the 3D geometry as shown here. So we will switch to 4buff engine. Let's look. Okay, we can click here and then we rotate these views so that it is like this. Okay, as we can see, our isometric view is now showing like this. As we know, or as we have done previously, we have changed our part design to other step, so we need to redo that. Let's click escape for now. Go to 4buff engine, double click on the engine block. Let's reverse the directions. Click preview. Okay. Let's return to our drawing. Fit all in. Let's select this one. View creation wizard. This one. Next, isometric. Finish. Select reference plane on 3D geometry. So now we can select here. So you can see our isometric looks more proper. Click. We can click anyway, or to change the view to be like this. Okay, fit all in, and we move our files so that it is within the sheets. Next, you can see that this is this view is move more to the right, and you can set it independently. So we need to right click, view positioning, position independently of reference view, click that, then we can move here. So it is independent from these three views. Next, open your forward engine product. It should be open in the assembly workbench. Move each component with compass to be like this, and then we can make isometric views like this. Other isometric views. So we go to our forward engine and let us click forward engine product. Click this compass. Then you can move. Okay, let's click the piston first, then move it. Next, remove this to this location and select the piston, select the pin while clicking Control and move it to the top. Then select, remove the compass to the position and select the pin, select this con rod, move the con rod, then we will move both of this part to the bottom, and next we select crankshaft so that it is moved to the bottom. Then we return the compass like that. Next, if you want to create another isometric view, we can select this icon. Let's see this in the drawing. Select isometric icon, let's check. Okay, it is here. So we go to our window, return to forward engine.cat product, hover our mouse and click anywhere so to show this view. Click anywhere to create drawings. Next, change the scale into 1:3, then click OK. So we can change this, let this smaller to 1. Let's see, one is bigger, so let's put it into 1:5. Okay, so we can also get this view. So because it is not enough room in this page, so we'll create another page for this view. We can right click and cut, then we can right click on here to paste. If this, so this is the assembly view. So if we can click and copy this, so then we can right click to sheet 4 and paste. So we have both of this assembly and this is export view. Next, creating balloons. So we return to sheet 3, fit all in. So as we can see also, we can create balloons. Select generate numbering icon from product structure tools. Let's see before, okay, we need to select. Okay, it is not here, and then go to sheets. No, it's not here. Okay, let's see if it is here. It's the term. Okay, let's return to our documents. It is under the product structure tools. Okay, so product structure tool actually is not in this drawing. It is on this 4-path engine. So it is here in assembly. That's why we cannot find it in drafting. We click this icon. Next, select 4-path engine in the structure tree. Okay, so this numbering. We'll start to do numbering. As if we select integer, it will be 1, 2, 3. Select integer, click OK. So if we look into our document, you can see the instant number in the properties. Let's look. Instant number and properties. Product. So it's now showing that its number is number 1. Let's see pin properties. So it has numbered the instant to 2. So this is important. Before we create balloons, we need to create this instancing number. Okay. Next, creating balloons, switch to sheet 0.4 drawing or this drawing. So let's look. Mine is in sheet 4. Okay, this is the drawing. Click this icon. So let's check. Our icon should be like balloon generation. Let's double click this so that it will be highlight red box. Okay, so it's not showing the balloon generation can be made. Okay, so now we can see that the balloons are now generated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons. So we can arrange the balloon by dragging the balloons, or we can also add a breakpoint so that you can have a breakpoint there. Let's arrange. Okay, let's say if we want to have a breakpoint. Let's look. Okay. Okay, it does not shown here. Okay, let's zoom in. Okay, add a breakpoint. So you can add a breakpoint here so that you can make. So it cannot be selected here, but need to select on this yellow marker. Okay, that's for the balloons. So on next video we will do the modifying unattached position so that it will be aligned. Continue to next video.